Alright. Going up. I know, right? Oh, it's safe. My husband in the car right there waiting for us. As we're going up on the top of the mountain. Right. Woohoo! He's waiting. Bye.
Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to the Sandia Peak tramway. I'm just going to introduce myself real quick. My name is Justice, and I said Justice like the Justice League, so if you do have any questions, say my name, you're a superhero, and it doesn't matter if you please me. Other than that, anybody's first time here on the trail today? Alright, mine too. This is one of the first tram rides together. You can look out any of these windows to the right, left, directly in front of you, and behind you along this 2.7 mile long trip. If you've been up here before or haven't been up here before and you see some cool rock formations, some neat plants down here, or any of the flowers blooming on these cactus, as well as the wildlife that you see, which are predominantly black bears, mule deers, mountain lions, and everything else that you can think of on a storybook or what a cartoon animal should look like on a mountain. You can find that up here, including porcupines, raccoons, and 200 different types of birds. The most famous bird that we have that you might be able to see past the second tower is actually red-tailed hawks that will climb up on top of these cables and ride it up and down with us. They are the smartest, laziest birds here on this side of the mountain. But we're going to have some slight swing and sway. I'm going to let you enjoy that view till we get to that second tower. And other than that, hold on tight.
Are you scared? I am.
You're scared?
Height. Yeah, I'm good. It's just that,
Mommy, you're not going to fall.
I know. You're not scared. Hi, people. I am scared. It's way up high now. Oh. So scared.
Here, take a phone. Okay.
Try not to. Yeah.
Yeah, but also that's what
Look how small it is.
I know. Okay. If I put this then I'll watch it later. Wow, look at that. And it's still going. 3 minutes, almost 4 minutes in, and we're still going.
just copy paste something.
But look at that view. It's all worth it. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, we have enough.
You want to come up? While you're passing by as well, they're actually on the exact same tram, or at the exact same tall cable, which is that middle one from the bottom to the top and all the way back around. So while you're passing by, we're moving at about the exact same speed, which means that you're going to notice we're slowing down here at the same time that they do. So look out any of these windows from the right, left, directly in front of you, and behind you. Just go ahead and look straight down to the ground. You're going to notice that we're slowing down here at the highest suspended point on this tram ride.
Oh,
The reason that we go
my.
ahead and slow down at the highest suspended point, if you aren't afraid of heights, is actually to drop off rude customers and Dallas Cowboy fans. But just to let you know, you will be able to fit about 1,000 feet between us and the ground. So you can fit the Eiffel Tower or the Empire State Building between us and the ground at that point. And for all of you sick minds wondering, about 6.5 seconds.
Alright, this is for you, hon. Come with us. Oh, good. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my. That's the drop. I can't even see it. God's creation right here.
This guy's
It's Albuquerque, New Mexico.
That's a beautiful smile.
Alright, we'll try cheese. There we go. It's gonna be a lot more intense. Rather than just fly back after we through.
Can you just put the water down there in the corner? Water. Okay.
Have you heard that? It's so funny.
We're still going.
Soon, future mission.
Going.
Almost got bullets. Get out of the way most of the time. This is like the 18. I can't remember what it's like. It's like bullets.
Did I hear the guy said this lion mountain lion? Mountain lions. Alright, we're finally up here, and this is the view of this building. This is the restaurant upstairs. Public restrooms down here. Alright, now we're gonna go for a walk. And that's the view right there. I guess that's the old tram. Another view. Here's another view from the pathway, the hike trail. Yeah, it goes all the way down there. I don't think I can able to go down there and come back up. Not for me. All right. My partner is so mad. Here. Whew.
There's a word. Wait, can you read it? 80 degrees.
Look, you see the seating area? We're sitting down.
Bro, imagine how strong this thing on the wires is to hold on the wires on the outside.
That's a lot of people. Should I look at the
Yeah, because I went to New Mexico State. But there's like a formation at Las Cruces. I went to school there and they would get some shit.
What's this forest just like it looks like a bakery?
You like your little hidden pack, like case of taxes.
Oh yeah, I know. I see your car.
Well, like Daniel and Tyler have a very different way of life.
My
Well, you
favorite
know, I
run
can see our
is
car.
in the mountains.
Yeah.
By far.
I don't give a single shit.
Up by the California area. It's a cool ride. It's a longer trail.
I like going to
It
the gym.
looks like a house.
It's definitely harder on the body, but easier on the mind. I
Also,
feel like to
the
run
danger of
trails.
climbing outside.
Yeah, and then you're running in the city, and it's easier on the body, but it's tougher on the mind. Yeah.
There's a lot of trails, you know, the biking trails here.
We're gonna cross into the building. Look, they're crossing into the building. And I do not think that's cool.
I was told that it's not good. There won't be any there.
We could walk. Yeah, we could, but we
So
don't
me and
have
Daniel will go to the gym
I have
a couple or a few weeks.
But I'm crashing into the building.
Apparently, it's
I keep trying to get into a good habit.
Oh, look at that little
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see. That was
65.59.
slower than I
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like
That's just gonna be getting out.
it's blue. Straight. It's blue.
Golf course sunset.
Yeah, it's cool how close when you're around.